Hi, I'm Shauna King. Welcome to my website. I'm so grateful that you are here. Listen, you may fall into one of three categories. One, you may be a school leader or conference organizer, and you're looking for a speaker, workshop facilitator, or knowledgeable consultant for upcoming work in your building. If so, you're in the right place. Or two, you are a participant in one of my previous sessions, and you're looking for the resources that I referenced. If so, you are also in the right place. Or three, you're not sure how you ended up here, but I'm just as honored that you are on my site. Please know that I provide clear, relevant, and practical workshops for educators and other child-serving professionals. If I may be of service to you and your organization, please feel free to contact me. I would love to hear from you. Thank you again for visiting the site. And if no one's told you today, thank you for all that you do.